Hi guys, it's Justin and Taylor here, the co-founders of LIT Method.
Today we're bringing you a 10-minute total body workout using your POPSUGAR mini band. I'm using medium.
And I'm using light.
Let's get into it.
Let's do it.
All right, team, go ahead and grab your resistance bands extra wide. First move of the day, an extender. Right foot back, left foot forward. Resistance on the band. We're driving that knee in 3.
Let's
Creating
do it.
more resistance, 2,
Woo.
1, go. I'm gonna forecast right now. I'm gonna let you know. This 10-minute workout is going to be so hard.
It's a doozy.
These resistance bands create such, I'm gonna say, lit workout. All right, lit, it's gonna be lit today. We're gonna work so hard, we're gonna have so much fun doing it. Here we go, 30 seconds on the clock. When I count you in, we increase that speed just a little bit in 3, 2, 1, let's go. This is where we set the tone nice and early. This is what kind of class we're going to have today. These resistance bands right here, you have 3 levels, light, medium, and heavy. Every time you repeat this workout, I want you to add another level of resistance. You can even add 2 at a time. Here we go, team. We got 10 more seconds. Stay with us for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Remember, just because the heart rate's coming up, to create more resistance, press on it. Variable resistance. The harder you push out, the harder it's gonna be. In 3, you ready, T?
I'm ready.
2, 1, go. Uh-oh. So you feel those shoulders start to burn?
Yeah, they're starting to burn already.
I know. So your heart rate's gonna elevate, legs are gonna start to get fired up, but most importantly, you're gonna feel those shoulders. So, at home, hey, keep resistance on that band the entire time. If I come around, I wanna see that band nice and tight. You've got 35 seconds on the clock. Can you rip that band out just a little bit more?
Yes, you can.
Come on. We're in it together. Last 30, you've got this. Woo! Come on, drive it all the way in. Everyone at home, the last 15 seconds, take a little bit more resistance on that band for me. You've got it all the way through. 10, come on, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe. You got a 10-second recovery period before we go into the next move. Take your hands through just like this. All right, I want you to focus on the resistance. Rear delts are gonna really light on fire here. Pull that band apart just like this. On my go, bent over rows. You're gonna lean over, roll the shoulders down, increase resistance just a little bit more. We're gonna take it right to our chest in 3, 2, 1, nice and slow. So we sit all day long, we text, we drive, we type, our shoulders start to protrude over time. This is how you retract them. This is how you fix your posture with this resistance band. Feel the shoulders, Steve?
Oh, I'm feeling it.
Feel those shoulders at home?
I'm feeling it.
I know you guys feel it, come on. Team, this is how you really light those shoulders on fire. I'm at home with you. My fingers are right between those shoulder blades. Let that resistance band work. This is it, protecting those joints, really focusing on those muscles. You've got it right here, last 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7. Everyone at home, just rip it a little bit further apart with me for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Recover. Woo. All right, team. One of my favorite moves, compound deadlifts. You're gonna slip it right around the feet just like this. This is really, when you have your POPSUGAR mini bands, this is where you can really use a heavy band and then drop set down on the rest of the sets. You're gonna come on down just like this, low squat position. Make sure your toes are right aligned with your shoulders. When I count you in, we'll go right to a deadlift in 3, 2, 1. Squeeze it up, drop those knees down nice and slow. Squeeze. Perfect. The goal here, weight in the heels of the feet. Chest up. Smile.
Squeeze the booty.
Oh, squeeze the booty. Okay, squeeze the booty. You hear T drop that in real quick. She's like, all right, here we go. Forearms out the window, squeeze the booty. I got it, all right. All right, team, 15 seconds to go. Few more booty squeezes. We got it all the way through for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Recover. Bring it on down just like this. All right, alternating toe taps. Medial glute. Keep your feet nice and wide. The name of the game, if you're using your mat, keep them on the outside. You're gonna tap the feet left to right in 3, 2, 1. Take it left. Woo. Right. Left. T said tap the booty. Here we go. Now we're really gonna work and isolate it. Oh, here we go. That's what I meant. All the way through. 35 seconds to go. Make it harder. Everyone, drop it just a little bit lower. Slow it down. Drop it a little bit lower. Slow it down.
Oh, it's
Come
burning.
on. This room's ice cold and I'm already sweating. What does that tell you? Come on.
Woo.
Here we go. 15 seconds to go. Keep it wide. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5. Don't hate me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it off. Small steps, big results. Fantastic job, you guys. All right, go ahead and step through those bands. Take it right above the knees. Okay, you're gonna wanna watch our TikToks. 2 inches above the knees, okay? Have the proper form, feet shoulder width apart, on my go. Nice and slow squats. Turn those toes out just a little bit in 3, 2, 1, drop it. Squeeze it, perfect. So as you come down at the bottom, I really want you to push your knees out. Activate the medial glute, the hamstrings. Push, squeeze, push, squeeze.
Okay.
So when T and I squat, take a look at our hands. Retract the shoulders, right? Here, retract. Love it. Woo! Come on.
Ha.
Here we go. 10 more seconds to go.
Let's go.
You've got this, team. 9, head up, 8, 7, 6. Come on, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it off. I know. I already know. ISO move, watch this. You're gonna come on down nice and low, just like this. It's gonna be a toe tap. Watch the move though. It goes back for 1, in, out, in, back, in, out, in, back. That's it right there. I want you to find the form. How's that quad feeling, T?
Oh, it's burning.
So,
It's burning.
even though the resistance is coming on this left leg over here, that right leg, when your inflection is really gonna light on fire. You've got this all the way through. What do you usually say, T?
If you don't squeeze it, no one else will.
Oh, okay. There we go. All right. T's going today, team. This is it. We haven't worked out in a while with you. T's getting rowdy today. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Shake it out.
Woo!
Oh my goodness. Welcome to resistance band training. Welcome to resistance band training. All right, bring it on down. Same thing. Flexion to the left. 1 minute. Drop it down. Out. Back. In. Out. In 3, 2, 1. Take it back. In. Out. In. Back. Perfect. So what's this gonna do? It's gonna work everything in that lower body. That resistance. So when you get the resistance bands, you're gonna have those 3 levels. Work your way up to that heavy band. Work your way up to that heavy band. You're gonna have speed, and then you're gonna have strength. This is one of those strength moves. By the way, the lower you sit, the harder it's going to be.
Woo!
Come on, everyone with us, sit just a little bit lower. Woo! Come on. I should have taken the light one on this. 9, 8, come on now, stay with us. 7,
go.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it off. Here we go. Hardest part. It's gonna be a 2-minute set. We're dropping it down. Taylor's favorite move, knee pulses in 3, 2, 1. Static hold, hold it. When I count you in, slow knee pulse. 3, 2, go. So, I really want you to focus on creating that resistance all the way in, all the way out. Weights on the heels of your feet, chest up. 2 minutes here. I'm gonna break it up after about 40 seconds, and then we're gonna go to a speed move. You have 2 sets of muscle fibers, fast twitch, slow twitch. Let these resistance bands work for you, not against you. Feel the resistance. All the way in, all the way out. Hang in there. Hang in there. 15 seconds to go. Come on. Woo. 10, 9,
Stay with us.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Here's the deal. 15 seconds, full squats. We're gonna go back to the knee pulse in 3, 2, 1. This is where you break it up. Take that speed up just a little bit, right like this. This is your recovery. 10. See how this moves just a little bit faster than the rest? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Knee pulse, super slow, ½ inch deeper. 3, 2.
go.
This is where we go home. 1, hold. Slow pulse, go. This is how slow I want it. Nice and slow, all the way in, all the way out. So when you burn out fast twitch and slow twitch muscle fibers, watch what happens.
It's burning.
The fatigue.
It's real.
We won't quit if you don't quit right here. Woo! Come on, T, half inch lower.
Oh, okay.
Come on. Oh, see that? She's trying to take me out. 10 seconds to go. 9, a little bit lower, 8.
Oh!
7, come on, come on, come on. 6, hang in there for 5, for 4, for 4,
He's counting.
3, 2, 1, up. I'm not even gonna take my band off. I'm so tired. How about you, T?
Oh, that was hard.
Team, that was a 10-minute total body workout. Thank you so much for sweating with us. We'll see you next time on Class FitSugar.
Bye, guys.